Let's begin again. Hello everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Happy New Year. I am so excited to be here, guys. So excited to have you guys tune in to watch this short video where we're packing up the holiday stuff and hopefully going to share a few tips with you along the way. So this is going to be a very short video. Guys, 2020 was really quite the year. In 2019 August, I started a business, and you know what followed after that. It hit us all, and it hit us all pretty hard. But guess what? all things all things work together for the good of them who love the Lord. And I am so thankful that we're going to persevere. Now, guys, it is 2021. So we're just going to have to be a little more innovative and continue to be faithful and stay positive. So with that being said, let's go ahead and put away the old, leave it behind us. Let's pack up Christmas and let's move forward. It's time to pack away Christmas. Now, I woke up and I got dressed, got my paint shirt on because I had another project going on, and I just jumped right into packing. Now listen, I normally do all of the Christmas unpacking and packing. My sons and my husband, they do the heavy lifting. So I'm getting it done. As much as I would love to say I got this done in one setting, that was not an option. I ran in and out of the house. I had things to do. I got cold. I got hot. Everything was going on. But nevertheless, I got it all packed up. Announcement for you guys. I have changed my brand. We have switched from the beautiful green chair to the blue chair. Nothing else is changing, just the branding package and the color. So we're still family and we are still going to bring great content. I always separate my ornaments. And yes, inexpensive totes. Doesn't have to be anything expensive at all. Just getting it done, at least organizing it in a very practical way. Take 2 pieces of ribbon and attach them to the cord before you unscrew it. And then next year, when you connect those pieces, the top, the middle, and the bottom, you can easily find those cords. If you want to use multiple colors, like yellow for yellow, and then 2 reds, and then 2 greens, etc., that's up to you. But this has been working for me for years. Now, who has enough shelf space to store all of your cone trees? If you do, bravo, because I don't. So I like to just wrap them in recycled tissue paper and then stack them inside each other and then place them in this tote. I decided to label them because you want to know what color are the smaller ones inside without having to unpack. For the ones that are made of wire and foam, I wrap with the old tissue paper, and for the ones that are glass, or shall I say fragile, I'll use bubble wrap. And lastly, I like to attach my remote to the actual cord that I'm using for Christmas outdoor lights. I don't have to look for it. They're all together year after year. I have been an Amazon affiliate for quite some time, but I never really operated in its full capacity. So this time around, I have opened up my own Amazon store. Here is the link, and this is the view of it right here, guys. I absolutely love it. I have taken the time to basically set up zones, color palettes for you to shop, and I still have others to be loaded. You see, I come from a retail background of 31 years, and in a department store, things are separated out, and not only that, they are often 100% of the time color coded. And that's how we operate in our homes, with paint colors, with fabrics, with textures. It's all about color. So that's why my store is set up this way. Now, each and every color palette is going to have your drapes, or curtains, whatever you want to call them. It's also going to have bedding, rugs, and you will also see an assortment of furnishings. So we're still putting stuff out there, but it's all based upon its ratings. It's also based upon reviews, and it's also based upon my likes. You got that? My likes. If I don't like it, I'm not putting it in there. So guys, I want to do this with ease because there is a follow-up to this execution on how I'm setting it up. I am so excited to launch in this direction, and there's much more to come. So go ahead and begin inspecting the Amazon store. And by the way, for those of you who have been dropping emails to me about, the DIY upholstery tote, where did you get this? Where did you get that? And I can honestly say I had to take some time and go back and research those things, but I found every single thing that I have in my tote, including the upholstery books that I have and use as a guide. Often a video, it's helpful, but sometimes for those of us who like to read, we like that kind of specific detail, and then we're better to execute the steps that way. It's just the way it is, guys, for some of us. But anyway, check out the Amazon store. I hope you enjoy it. Send me some feedback right now because there's still more to come around that. I want to thank you so much for watching the pack away, and I hope you enjoyed the tips that I gave you today. If you are not a subscriber, I hope you will consider doing so. Press the subscription button. And not only that, guys, once the button says subscribed, you have to click the bell, and you also have to personalize the bell. You click personalize and those brackets will go around the bell. That means you'll get a notification every time I have uploaded a video. I hope to hear from you. I hope you write me, and I can't wait to share. I'm trying to refrain from telling so much, but please stay tuned, subscribe, like, thumbs up, share this video. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.